Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted a video in probably a week or so. I've just, been taking time just for me and my family and just kind of enjoying a relaxing time. Just enjoying the rest and the relaxation and just enjoying the time with my family. I don't know if you guys can relate to this, but last year we had one of our members of our church passed away, and she was like a really big member in our church, and she was a big witnesser, a big soul winner, and she had cancer and she passed away. Anyways, Monday we had a memorial dinner in celebration of her being up with Jesus and having no more pain and being pain-free and just being able to walk on streets of gold and sit at Jesus' feet. And honestly, I'm quite jealous because I wish I was there. So me down here, I get to look forward to the time where I can go up there and sit at Jesus' feet and worship him. So anyways, when we had that dinner, it made me realize that I needed to relish the time that I have with my parents and my mother. So what I've been doing is just watching Hulu. We like to watch Beat Bobby Flay on Hulu and things like that, and family movies. Me and my mom like to watch movies together. It's our thing. That's how we hang out together. And sometimes during the day we'll go to lunch, and I took her to Chinese on Monday. I don't eat like this a lot, you guys. I don't eat Chinese. I don't eat pasta dishes a whole lot and I definitely don't eat a lot of bread. So just for me to be able to do this kind of thing it's a once in a lifetime thing, and it's something to cherish and to relish together. So anyways, we went to Chinese, and then Tuesday night, I haven't hit the gym in a while, not since I've had the flu. I will be honest, I have not hit the gym since I've had the flu. But you guys, I have still been doing good on the whole diet thing. I just haven't hit the gym. So tonight is Wednesday. When you're gonna probably see this Thursday. But tonight's Wednesday, and we're going to church. And so after church, guess where I'm going? Let's go. I'm hitting the gym because I need to hit the gym. Anyways, go hit the gym, gonna work out, and then we're gonna come back tonight, and I'm just gonna relax and just meditate and read some Bible and just relax and chill out. And tomorrow I have a lot planned, so I'll be getting ready for that too. We're gonna rake the churchyard. The leaves are cray, and the leaves are really cray outside my house. It is cray out there, let me tell you. Anyways, I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a little bit of an update. I'm doing great. I'm feeling much better. Just enjoying family off the camera. Just enjoying family off the camera. For one thing, I don't want to put camera on my family because they're a bit camera shy. And so I want to do that to them. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I have a short little video, a cook with me video. I made some comfort food, some tomato soup, and some elbow noodles, and a grilled cheese. Oh yeah. There's nothing like comfort food. I don't eat comfort food all the time, but when I do crave it, girl, I gotta have it. I don't crave all the time. I'm not cray. I don't crave food all the time, and I'm not prego either. But I don't crave certain things all the time. But there's just some times where you crave just that comforting, warm food. And this time around, I was craving a grilled cheese with some tomato soup and elbow noodles, because that's how our family does it. That's how we make it. And so that's what I did, is I made that. And so I brought you along the process of how I made it. It took about 30 minutes or so for getting it all done. Maybe 35, but it's a really simple, easy recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Comment down below what your favorite food is, your favorite comfort food, your fast, easy, go-to favorite comfort food that you like during the colder months like fall and winter. Let me know below, and tell me what your favorite family thing to do is off camera. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Keep watching and onward to the cooking. Bye! Okay guys, so here we're going to be putting some noodles in some salted water. I'm using canned tomato soup. Yes guys, I'm not making it homemade because your girl ain't got time for that. But I am using canned soup, and we're going to put our noodles in the pasta water here in a second. And I believe I was opening my cans here. I didn't want you guys to hear the sound of the can opener because it sounded like it was a dying cat. It sounded very bad. Very, very bad. But anyways, and yes, it is still super duper junky in my mom's kitchen. I mean, I feel like time just gets away from me, and every time I want to do it, something comes up, or else we have to leave, or I have to work, or I'm sick, or, you know, just something comes up all the time. And it's cray-cray is what it is. Cray-cray. Any hootaloo. And then in the next clips, you're going to see me putting the sandwiches together. Okay, so you guys, like I said in the first part of my video, this did take about 30 minutes or so, probably because I was recording, because I kept having to move the camera stand over and do all kinds of craziness. But I stirred the noodles there, and then you're going to see me get another pot here pretty soon, because I'm actually, after I start the bread, I'm actually going to heat up the tomato soup. This way everything was nice and hot, and I just had to mix it all together. So I don't know how you guys make your grilled cheeses, but I put butter on both sides of the bread, because, you know, I don't know if I'm supposed to do that, but that's what I did. But they were delicious, ooey and gooey and yummy. You're gonna see me pull apart the bread here in a little bit, because I decided that 2 pieces of cheese was not enough, and I put a third one on. And there were 6 pieces of bread, or 6 sandwiches there, for us to all have 2 apiece. But I only ended up eating 1 because I got really full right off the bat. So there was extra for my dad later. He likes to have leftovers, especially when we come home from church. It's his favorite thing to do. So yeah, I'm just going to continue making the sandwiches, and we'll move forward. Alright guys, so my noodles were done, so I needed to strain them. And you guys, I don't normally leave my hair down when I'm cooking, but it is so thick. When I put it up, it gives me a ginormous headache. So today I was letting it rest because I've been using hairspray like galore on it. So I was giving it a breather and just leaving it down, letting it let its own oils do the work, I guess is what you would want to say. But yes, I drained the noodles here and I put them back in, and then I don't think I ever did show me putting a pot on with the tomato soup in there. Oh well, I did do that. I eventually poured it in with the noodles, as you're going to see. But I wanted to cook it on my own because I like to add my own seasoning and my own spiciness to it, even though I'm sure it's probably already seasoned and stuff like that. But I like to add my own touch to it, even if it is canned stuff. I mean, I know I could make my own homemade stuff, but like I said, I ain't got time for that jazz, so that's not what I did. I just added my own seasoning and spicings to it. And I'm sorry. Oh, see, here's the pan that I used for the tomato soup. I ended up having to put a little bit more water and a little bit of water in the pan to get the rest of that goodness out of there and kind of lighten it up a bit because it was pretty thick. And then we're still staring at the dishes for some reason. I think I eventually turned the thing over here. And so on this next clip, you're going to see me stirring the noodles. And voila, the tomato soup is in there. Imagine that. I'm sorry I forgot to show the clip of me putting the tomato soup in the pan. I must not have been recording and thought I was. But here is the tomato soup and the noodles. I did bring it back up to a boil because I wanted it to get nice and hot, and then I turned it down to low so it could simmer for a while. And you guys, this food ended up getting done just in time. We used Velveeta cheese. If I could do it over again, though, I probably wouldn't use Velveeta cheese because it was kind of salty tasting. But I don't know. Maybe it's just because I haven't had a grilled cheese in a long time. I forgot how it tastes. And butter. And here's our sandwiches, which I added 2 more sandwiches to the pile. Okay, here's the clip I was talking about earlier where I decided to add a 3rd piece of cheese to the other ones that I had already done. It was really good though, you guys. Ooey gooey and yummy. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put the grilled cheese sandwiches in the oven. I did it at 350 degrees and I put the timer on for 10 minutes per side, and I probably should have turned up the temperature because it wasn't cooking to my liking. And so then I ended up having to do like a minute or so of broil on both sides for it to get all the way done. Here's the finishing touches, you guys. It was so yummy, ooey gooey, and it was just so yummy and comforting. My mouth is watering just thinking about it. And I still have leftover soup that I'm going to probably eat for lunch today, because this is Thursday today, the day that I'm editing this video. This turned out great, and you guys will see that I did work out because I will put some photos on there. And for dessert, you guys, we had pumpkin chocolate chip cookies with some glaze on them. They were yummy. Well, my dad had some without glaze because he didn't like the glaze, but my mom and I ate the glaze. They were pretty sweet though. But they were yummy. I don't regret a single decision I made for this dinner. Alright, well, this is the end of the video. I'm going to put in a few clips here of me working out and, well, just taking a picture before I worked out and got all sweaty. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can be notified when I upload again. If you want to follow me on social media, I'll have all those links in this video. Alright, bye!